Hey guys, welcome back. It's Christian from S&C Shop. I'm sorry for my absence, but I've been waiting on parts and some other stuff to get rolling, but I got some good news today, and let's get into it. So here is how the transmission has been sitting for the past couple weeks since I haven't been able to work on it. Just get this uncovered. As you can see, we are starting to work back on the transmission. Got it all painted and primered. I'm trying to keep it covered to keep the dust out of it. By sandblasting for the truck and stuff, but we got the oil pump in and we got the one reverse idler gear in, because that's all that I could have put in for right now. I had some more stuff put in, as you'll see in the video coming out soon, hopefully, but I had to take it all back out because I did not know, well, I did know after, that this, the main shaft, does not fit in with the counter shafts back here. So I ended up taking the counter shafts out again, and in the process of doing that, I ended up breaking or smashing up the back of the one counter shaft, and I noticed that the other one had a chip in it, so we just decided to replace both. And the reason that they're all apart here now, and these are different and brand new shafts, are that we could not get the other shafts to come apart. I had one of my buddies work on it, and he had, I think, 25, maybe 30 tons on it, and they bent a 1.25 inch piece of steel trying to get it pressed off, and still didn't move. Before that, I had taken it to Napa to see if their machine shop would do it. They said they had 75 on it, but I don't know how true that is. But it still didn't move even from them, so that's how it's been sitting. We've got all this apart. I'm laying out on the bench. Don't mind my mess of tools and parts and stuff, but waiting on 3 or 4, I guess, 4 keys from Arkansas Valley out in California, and it's been just about a month and a half from them. So that is where my issue currently stands. In the meantime, since I had the parts for this, I got it reassembled. Here it is, the auxiliary. And putting it back together, I ended up on the inside of this, there is a nut on this shaft here. I ended up stripping the threads out of this shaft and ended up having to pull the nut off the end of this. So that shaft got completely destroyed, and process of taking this bolt out, I ended up snapping it off in the case. So that took me about a week to figure out. So there goes our 2 months. So I got a shorter bolt for this one since I wasn't able to get the end out of it. I ended up breaking the bolt extractor off inside the housing with the bolt, so, and the bits that I have just wouldn't cut through it. So shorter bolt, still threads in pretty well, and then we'll have 3 new bolts. 3 new bolts coming here from Arkansas Valley as well, but like I said, they are still a month and a half out. So that's how far we've got with the auxiliary. As you can see, it's pretty nice, all put together, but that's all I got for today. So I'll get into the good stuff and get into the little surprise or good news here in a second. In other terms, today is this girl's time. So today I got in contact with the person who will be doing the framework on the truck, and they said they're coming to get it. So any minute now, they should be coming up to pick the truck up, and it's the last time it'll look like this. Got all the parts for the third axle in here, with a lot of other stuff, a lot of other goodies. So we'll have those assembled and get that cutoff put on. Got it all loaded up, ready to go. And yeah, this is the last time we'll be seeing it like this. It'll look like a whole new truck. So stay tuned. Well, that's it for now. We got the transmission in the back, the sleeper's over there, skid steer in here, everything moved around. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.